Hey boys, this is my new playlist, so don't forget to check it out guys. Check out my YouTube. Kau menyendiri tanpa cinta dan kau mula merasa diri kau tak sempurna. Tapi bila kehadiran dia datang, kau dah mula diri kau jatuh cinta. Dan kau merasa diri kau lebih sempurna. Berharap berdua kan lebih bahagia. Kita satukan cinta dan asmara, kerana ini semua tentang dia. She wears short skirt, I wear t-shirt. She pick up the net, I'm gonna play, just dreaming about the day. And you wake up and find that's what I'm looking for. Because she be alone, cause she alone. The one who understand you feel alone, so I can't you see? You belong with me, yeah, you belong with me. Girl, you should know that you always belong to me. Cause kau tahu kau satu-satu dalam hati yang takkan pernah terganti untuk diriku. Dan cinta ini hanya untuk kamu. Sayang, kau patut tahu betapa aku mencintai dirimu dan hanya perlukan kamu. Setiap saat sunyi dan setiap malamku, kau selalu ada di setiap waktuku. She wear short skirt, she wear t-shirt, she pick Captain and I'm gonna be just dreaming about the day. And you wake up and find that's what I'm looking for. Because dia selalu ada di sini dan buatku rasa bahagia. Kerana kau tahu that all to me, you belong with me, girl. Sayang, kau selalu tunggu hatiku. Walau terluka, ku selalu di sini. You belong with me, yeah, you belong with me. Yeah.